Hi everybody. Today I'll show you how to create custom dashboard in WordPress. So let's just begin. Alright, to create the custom dashboard in the WordPress, first of all what we have to do, we have to go inside the plugins and we have to click on add new plugin from here. And from here we have to search for Adminify. And now you'll be able to see WP Adminify here. So we have to install this plugin and now we have to click on activate. And now you'll be able to see the dashboard of Adminify. Okay, and in the dashboard we have the different options here. So we have the customize option, we have the admin menu, we have the productivity, we have the security, performance, code snippets, and then white label, and then the backup. So in the customize, the first thing that we have to do to enable the custom dashboard, we have to enable the Adminify UI here. Okay, and from here you will be able to see different templates. Okay, but only two of the templates are accessible in our free version. So I'm going to go here with the default one right now. And after this, we have the custom background, we have the body font, we have the admin fave icon, and then we have the gutter merge editor logo. So these all options are actually part of pro version. So which means we can't use that. And after this, we have the light mode and the dark mode. So if you want to go here with the light mode, you can simply go here with the light mode in the layout mode. But if you want to go here with the dark mode, you can simply click on the dark mode and then you will be able to get your custom dashboard of the WordPress in the dark mode. And after this, we have the logo tab. So one is the image and we also have this in the text format. So right now we're going to go here with the image and then we're going to select the image from our gallery. Then we have the logo size. Then we have the mini logo. So I'm going to click on add logo here. All right. So I'm going to go here with this white logo that we have for the dark mode. Okay, and from here I can actually change the logo size, but I'm going to stick with the default value. And after this we have the search form, and then we have the notification icon, then we have the light and dark switcher. Okay, and in the last we have the background colors, but this is actually the part of pro version. Okay, so right now what we have to do to see the changes, we have to click on save settings first. Now what I need to do, I just have to refresh my page here. And now you will be able to see our custom dashboard here, and you can see here it is in the dark mode and it is looking really great here. And I can simply convert this into the light mode if I wanted to. So I'm going to click on light here and this will be converted into the light mode. So I think the light one is looking better, so I'm going to keep the light one right now. Okay, so after this we have the admin menus. Okay, so these all options are actually visible on our sidebar. So if you want to change the order of these options, you can simply drag and drop here. You can simply change the options from here. And after this, if you want to change the name of it, you can also do this. So we can also rename it something else here. We can also add the hidden rule here. And after this we can also change the link here, and we can also change the icon from here. Okay, so this is how you can do the changes in your sidebar menu options. And even if your sidebar menu option has the sub menu, you can also explore there, or you can also add the things into it if you wanted to, but I don't want to add anything into this. And after this we have the post, we have the media, we have the comments, and then we have the formatable, and then we have the contact. You can see all the options that we have here. And if you don't want to show any of these options, what you can do, you can simply click on that, and from here you can hide this for a specific kind of user. So if you want to hide this from the editor or the author or the contributor or any other kind of a user, you can simply hide it from here. So this is how it is going to work. So what I want to do here, I want to actually change the position of the appearance, and I want to make it on the top. So I'll simply drag this, and from here I can make it to the top. Okay, so I have to put this after the dashboard. So I want to put this here after the dashboard, and I'm going to do the same thing for the plugin. Okay, so we have to put this at the top. All right, so we have to put this after the PS. Okay, so I think now this is looking fine. And now what we have to do, we have to click on save settings. Okay, and if I wanted to add the new item here, I think this is the part of pro version, so we can't actually do that. Okay, and after this we have to go inside the settings. So we have the option of the settings. So if you want to change the menu type from the vertical to the horizontal, we can simply do this from here, but I think this is also the part of Pro version, so we can't do this. Then we have the menu mode, in which we have the default, folded, and rounded. Then we have the sub menu style, so we have these options here for that. And after that we have the styles, so you can play around with these different values in our style as well. And after that we have the productivity. So in the productivity we have the different options here. All right, so we have the dashboard and welcome widget option here. So if you want to have this, you can simply click on this and it would convert itself to the yes. You can simply disable this and enable this from here. And after this we have the post types order. Okay, and after this we have the menu duplicator, we have the post duplicator, and after this we have the custom admin columns. Then we have the media settings. So I'm going to enable the custom admin columns. So let's see if we do have the option for that. But you can see here the most of the options are actually only available for the Pro version, so we can't actually use that. But you can actually enable this if you wanted to, but I'm going to disable this right now. And after this we're going to go inside the security. So in the security you can see this, we have these options. So we have the header security, then we have the feed links, then we have the REST API, and you can also see the other options here, but we don't have to go into the detail here. And after this we have the performance, and after this we have the code snippet. So if you wanted to add any custom code into your code, you can add this here. And in the last we are having the white label here. In the white label we have the admin footer text. So if I can scroll down, you'll be able to see this footer text here of our custom dashboard. Okay, so if you want to change this, you can simply change this from here, and you can change the styling of the footer text from here as well. As you can see this, we are having a different HTML elements here. And after this we are having the WP Adminify branding, but this is only available in the premium version, so we can't use that. And after this, in the last, we are having the backup here. So these are the options that we have in our WP Adminify. So I'm going to simply click on save settings, and I would refresh the page. And now you'll be able to see that we are having our appearance and the plugins at the top in the sidebar. Okay, and if I just go back into my customize, and from here if I wanted to go here with any other template, like we only have the one option here, I'm gonna simply click on this. And from here what I can do right now, I'm gonna click on the light mode. Yeah, we can go here with the light mode, and what we can do here, we can also add the light logo here. So for the light logo, we're gonna go here with our logo, but with the black color. Now we just have to save settings again. All right, and what we can do, we can simply refresh our page, and now you will be able to see our new template here. And now we are having this in the light mode. Okay, but I think since it is having the sidebar in the darker version, what we can do, we can actually change the logo here. So this is going to be a same kind of a logo. So we're gonna go here with the white color of our logo. We're gonna click on save settings and refresh the page, and now you'll be able to see our website logo here. Okay, and even if you want to go here with just a simple text, you can simply click on the text here, and I can write down outdoor adventure here. Okay, and from here I can simply select the font family. So I'm gonna go here with let's say this one, and then we have the font size. So I'm gonna go here with the default values. Okay, and then what I can do, I can simply click on save settings again, and then we're gonna refresh the page here, and now you'll be able to see our text here. But I think the image option was looking better, so we can go back to the image, and this is how we can change this into the logo again. All right, this is how you can create custom dashboard in the WordPress. If you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.